Okay, next one. Is there a way to completely remove the GBP from the SERP or maps? I'm talking about the listing not existing at all instead of being shown as permanently closed. Um, I don't know. You could suggest an edit and see, right. So for example, just go right here. I can't remember. It's been so long, but you could always contact Google support too if you needed to, right? Go into Maps, click on Suggest and Edit. You know what? I'm a Google manager on this one, so do it over here. Right there. Suggest and Edit. And then places closed or not here doesn't exist here, right? That's what I would think it would be. Yeah, doesn't exist here. And then you typically you can take you can add supporting documentation like photos and things like that. And so, depending on what option you select here, sometimes it gives different requirements of additional data that they need in order to support your claim, if that makes sense. But that's what I would do. I would first try to just go do that, suggest and edit. It seems to be they tend to get accepted or reviewed. The edit request tends to be reviewed faster when you are suggesting an edit from a high level Google local guide account. Okay. I think I'm a local guide level 6. I think I'm close to level 7, or maybe I'm level 5, close to level 6. In any case, I typically can suggest an edit and get a response back from Google Maps within 3 days, 3 business days. I usually get an email from them stating whether the edit request was accepted or rejected. Okay. That's what I would do. Okay.